Small business ka pa lang, perfect timing. Kung ikaw ay online seller, freelancer, self-employed professional, or bagong business owner, iwasan mo itong 4 common record-keeping mistakes. And make sure umabot ka sa mistake number 4 kasi ito ang pinaka-common reason kung bakit akala ng maraming business owners kumikita sila pero hindi pa pala nila nakikita ang totoong financial picture ng business nila. Mistake number 1, pinagsasama ang personal at business money. Marami ang nagsasabi, maliit pa naman, okay lang. Pero kapag isa lang ang bank account ng personal money at business money, kahit ikaw mismo mahihirapan malaman kung alin ang actual sales, alin ang supplier payment, alin ang personal gastos, at alin ang owner's withdrawal. Ang dapat gawin, magkaroon ng hiwalay na bank account para sa business transactions. Mas madaling itrack ang cash flow, sales, expenses, and books of accounts. Mistake number 2. Akala mo lahat ng pumasok sa account mo ay sales na. Hindi lahat ng cash inflow ay sales. Pwedeng capital, loan reimbursement o customer advances. Kapag mali ang classification, pwedeng mali rin ang tax computation mo. Ang dapat gawin, record your sales properly and issue invoices or valid supporting documents when required. Huwag umasa sa memory, screenshot, or bank balance lang. Mistake number 3. Hindi mo tinatabi ang valid receipts and invoices ng expenses. Sayang ang business expenses kung hindi properly supported. Hindi lahat ng expenses automatic deductible. Pero kung business related at may valid documents and receipts, malaking tulong ito sa tamang computation ng net taxable income mo. Ang dapat gawin, keep valid invoices and receipts from suppliers. Mas okay kung organized by month para madaling hanapin kapag kailangan. Mistake number 4. Akala mo kung ano ang laman ng bank account, yun na ang income ng business. Ito ang pinaka-common mistake. Minsan feeling mo kumikita ang business, pero hindi mo pa pala na-consider ang unpaid suppliers, receivables, loans, advance payments, taxes, and personal withdrawals. Kaya minsan mukhang profitable, pero kapag inayos ang records, umiikot lang pala ang pera. Ang dapat gawin, magkaroon ng maayos na recording. Dapat naka-record ang sales, expenses, receivables, payables, loans, capital, withdrawals, and payments. Hindi kailangan perfect agad, pero kailangan consistent at may system. Bakit importante ito? It is about protecting your business, your name, and your future plans. Kapag gusto mong kumuha ng loan, investor, supplier deal, or mag-expand, malaking bagay ang maayos na financial records. So habang maliit pa